Digital pianos are exploding in popularity with mind-blowing features, and the best part is that they never need tuning, and you don't have to break the bank to get one like an acoustic piano. But with so many choices, picking the perfect one can feel like deciphering a symphony. That's why, in this video, I've cracked the code on the top 6 digital pianos and revealed what makes each one a masterpiece. From budget-friendly to pro-level pianos, I've got an option for you so you can select the one that's well-suited to your music needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Alesis Recital. This is the most affordable piano on our list with essential features to enhance your playing experience. Its 88 full-sized, semi-weighted keys provide a realistic feel, similar to an acoustic piano. This is great for developing proper finger strength and technique. Plus, you can adjust the touch sensitivity to suit your playing style, helping you express yourself better through your music. With 5 realistic instrument voices, including acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass, you can explore various genres and experiment with different sounds. Its ability to layer 2 sounds and split the keyboard into 2 zones adds depth and creativity to your playing. It also offers 128-note polyphony, ensuring that even complex pieces sound smooth and realistic. Plus, other features like adjustable reverb and chorus effects, a built-in metronome, and a headphone jack for silent practice make it a versatile and practical choice. However, some users have noted that the semi-weighted keys may not offer the same feel as a traditional acoustic piano. Despite this drawback, it remains a highly praised option to kickstart your musical journey or improve your piano skills without breaking the bank. Number 5 is the Casio Privia PX-S7000, the best digital piano with a modern design and exceptional playability. It features 88-key Casio's scaled hammer action keyboard 2 with simulated ebony and ivory key tops, providing a realistic feel that's similar to playing an acoustic grand piano. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pianist, you'll appreciate the authentic touch and response of this keyboard. When it comes to sound quality, Casio's multidimensional morphing AIR sound source provides realistic piano tones with smooth transitions between samples. With 400 high-quality tones to choose from, including electric pianos, organs, strings, brass, and drums, you'll have all the tools you need to explore a wide range of musical genres and create rich, layered compositions. It also offers a maximum polyphony of 192 notes, ensuring that you can play complex passages with ease. Plus, with adjustable touch response, you can tailor the keyboard's sensitivity to your playing style for optimal responsiveness and dynamic control. Other features like built-in recording and playback, Bluetooth audio connectivity, and a headphone jack make it a versatile and convenient instrument for practicing, performing, and composing. And despite its impressive functionality, it also maintains a slim and sleek design, making it perfect for space-conscious musicians. However, some users have noted that the keys feel a bit noisy when playing at high volumes, and the built-in speakers could be more powerful. However, these minor issues are easily overlooked when you consider the overall performance and value of this piano. Number 4 is the Yamaha YDP165 Alesis series, the most versatile piano on our list to satisfy your music needs. With its graded hammer 3 keyboard action, it replicates the feel of an acoustic piano, providing a realistic touch that responds to your playing dynamics. The synthetic ebony and ivory key tops add to this authentic feel, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip while playing. The heart of this piano lies in its sound quality. Featuring Yamaha's CFX Premium Grand Piano voice, this digital piano delivers a rich and detailed sound that faithfully reproduces the tonal characteristics of a high-end acoustic instrument. The virtual resonance modeling light technology further enhances the sound by simulating the natural resonance of an acoustic piano, creating a more immersive playing experience. With 192-note polyphony, it allows you to play complex passages and layer sounds without dropped notes, making it ideal for advanced playing and creating rich arrangements. The adjustable touch response caters to your playing style, whether you prefer a lighter or heavier action. Beyond its premium grand piano sound, it offers 10 additional instrument voices, 353 built-in songs and lessons, and a 2-track song recorder. The duo mode allows two people to play side by side, perfect for teachers and students or duets with friends. The Smart Pianist app compatibility enhances your learning experience with interactive sheet music and more. While the YDP165 is a fantastic digital piano, some users have noted a few drawbacks. Its console design, while elegant, may not be as portable as other digital pianos. Overall, it offers an exceptional playing experience to inspire you on your musical journey. And if you want to know the latest prices of the digital pianos discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Kawai ES920, the most portable and sleek digital piano on our list, to give you the feel and sound of a concert grand piano. Its responsive Hammer 3 keyboard action provides you with an authentic feel of playing with its weighted hammer action, triple sensor key detection, let-off simulation, and ivory touch key surfaces. These features work together to replicate the nuanced touch and feel of a real piano, making your playing experience truly immersive and enjoyable. In terms of sound quality, it uses Kawai's Harmonic Imaging XL sound technology to capture the rich and authentic tones of world-renowned Kawai grand pianos. With highly detailed, multi-sampled sounds and virtual technician adjustments, you can fine-tune the piano sound to your liking, creating a personalized playing experience. With 256-note polyphony, you can play even the most complex pieces without worrying about drop notes. It also offers adjustable touch sensitivity, so you can customize the piano's response to suit your playing style. Beyond its impressive piano sounds, it also features 38 high-quality instrument sounds, dual and split modes, Bluetooth audio and MIDI connectivity, a powerful speaker system, and much more. Plus, it's portable and easy to transport, making it perfect for gigging musicians or anyone who wants to practice and perform anywhere. Overall, it's a fantastic digital piano that offers exceptional touch, sound quality, and versatility, along with portability. Number 2 is the Roland RD-2000. It's the best professional-grade piano designed to meet the needs of even the most discerning musicians who want an unparalleled playing experience. First off, it features the PHA-50 keyboard action, Roland's most advanced keyboard yet. It feels like a traditional acoustic piano, but is built to withstand the rigors of the stage. The keys are meticulously weighted for realistic dynamics, and the touch sensitivity captures every nuance of what you're playing, so your performance stays truly expressive. It also has 2 independent sound engines. The first one recreates the rich, dynamic tones of acoustic pianos with astonishing realism. The second engine focuses on electric pianos and a variety of other sounds, offering endless sonic possibilities. With full polyphony, even the most complex performances are faithfully reproduced. You can also customize your sound with onboard effects like reverb, chorus, and delay. You can even layer internal sounds with external sources for a unique sound palette. With 88 keys and adjustable touch sensitivity, it's perfect for any playing style, from classical to contemporary. Despite its premium features, it is compact and portable, making it ideal for gigging musicians. The built-in speakers are great for practice, and the various connectivity options allow for seamless integration with your studio setup. Plus, this piano has received rave reviews for its sound quality, keyboard action, and versatility, making it a top choice for professionals. Number 1 is the Yamaha DGX670B. This is the overall best piano on our list that offers an incredible playing experience from beginners to seasoned pianists. With its 88-key graded hammer standard keyboard, it replicates the feel of an acoustic piano, making your practice sessions feel natural and responsive. The keys are designed to absorb moisture, ensuring comfortable playing even during long hours of practice. One of the standout features of this piano is its sound quality. The CFX stereo sampling technology faithfully reproduces the rich, nuanced sound of Yamaha's flagship CFX Concert Grand Piano. With virtual resonance modeling, the piano's sound is further enhanced, mimicking the natural resonance of an acoustic piano for a more authentic experience. The 256-note polyphony ensures all your notes are played clearly, even with complex passages or layered sounds. But it isn't just about piano sounds. With 630 high-quality instrument voices, you can explore a wide range of sounds, from electric pianos and organs to strings, drums, and synths. The piano also comes with 263 automatic accompaniment styles, allowing you to jam along with virtual backing bands in various genres. Whether you're a beginner learning your first chords or an experienced pianist looking for a versatile instrument, it has something to offer. Its realistic feel, high-quality sound, and diverse features make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to learn, practice, or create music at home. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect digital piano much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.